In this video, we present you the Fast Harol helmet in the configuration for a CPAP therapy. The helmet is made in PVC and is both latex-free and DEHP-free. It is single-use and non-sterile. The high volume of the tent is to guarantee a good CPAP therapy, with 15 liters of available volume. There are two different models, one with a polyurethane collar and a soft band for maintaining the shape, the other with a silicone collar and a rigid ring for maintaining the shape of the helmet. The weight is around 320 grams or 400 grams based on the model. The seal of the helmet is guaranteed by the polyurethane or silicone collar, both offering a good seal. Compared to the polyurethane, the silicone collar is softer and more elastic, adhering better to the patient's neck and so permitting the use with soft suspenders or even without suspenders. On the sides of the tent, you will find two access ports for the airflow. The 22mm male inlet connection, conforming to ISO standards, used for connecting the tube that will provide the flow, and a 22mm female outlet connection, conforming to ISO standards, on which the PEP valve will be connected. Next to the outlet connection, you will find an integrated manometer for PEP measurement. With the helmet, a male-to-male adapter is provided to connect the outlet with an external ventilator for use in a dual-tube CPAP therapy. Regardless, by international guidelines, it is preferred to execute the CPAP therapy with a high-flow generator and a PEP valve, instead of a ventilator. A pocket on the inlet connection directs the flow tangentially to the inner surface to reduce noise and avoid direct flow to the face of the patient. On the lower part of the tent, there are two additional sealed accesses for the introduction of nasogastric tubes or straws for liquid feeding. On the collar, you will also find an access port for connecting an external manometer or a monitor to check the inside pressure. The Fast Harol model is equipped with a convenient zipper for a complete access to the patient by a single operator. It is therefore possible to access the patient's head, clean them, provide drink, and carry out bronchoaspirations. The zipper is also useful during emergencies, if it is necessary to intubate the patient. On the tent, you will find a bidirectional anti-asphyxia valve that closes automatically when the helmet is pressurized and opens automatically when the pressure inside falls below 2 centimeters of water. The helmet is mounted on the patient with two padded suspender anchors, equipped with quick coupling and decoupling devices. Harol proposes two different models of the Fast Harol helmet, with different anchoring methods. A model with a polyurethane collar, with a seal on the upper part of the thorax and tight suspender anchors, and a second model with a silicone collar, with a seal on the patient's neck and less tight suspender anchors. Inside the silicone collar helmet, it is possible to insert an optional inflatable cushion, which will increase stability and permits the use of the helmet without suspenders, providing the possibility of switching between the use with and without suspenders.